Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add shipping methods in your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on settings in 3dcart and then just click here on shipping. When you're here, you're gonna select the shipping methods here, shipping settings, insurances and everything. So let's just click select methods. You're gonna select the free shipping here. And then you can enable also a minimum order and maximum order. Then you're gonna select the shipping fee, the flat rate, or you can simply add a custom. This is created by you or UPS or FedEx or DHL, Royal Mail, so many of them. And I really it's really simple. Then when you're gonna create a new product, people can choose in the checkout, right? So you can add a custom here. And shipping country, again, you just choose which one you like, which one you actually want. Shipping state, all. Select the shipping methods to display for this region by value. Add method, right? And then you're gonna select the markup, minimum wave, need a percent, and max wave. And I need to change the range. So that's really up to you, and this is pretty much how we do it, and this is how you add shipping methods. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. You can also edit the shipping settings here. And you're gonna select the shipping origin, everything. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.